हेलो मेरे जेंजी भाई और बहनों, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। इट्स मी तान्या एंड यू आर वाचिंग माय यूट्यूब चैनल तान्या गुप्ता। तो थंबनेल में तो यू हैव ऑलरेडी सीन कि हम किस टॉपिक पे बात करने जा रहे हैं। ऑब्वियसली हिंज पे लड़कों के थ्रू जो भी प्रॉम्प्ट्स और कमेंट्स आए हैं, वी आर गोइंग टू रीड इट आउट एंड विल रिएक्ट ऑन इट। सो बेसिकली वी ऑल नो दैट कि मर्द का चक्कर मौत से टक्कर, बट द थिंग इज कि लाइफ में सबका इतना कट चुका है, इतना कटवाने के बाद, इतना एक्सपीरियंस मिलने के बाद सबको पता चली है कि किस किस लेवल की मैनिपुलेशन होती है। सो लेट्स गो टू द फर्स्ट मैनिपुलेशन। यूजुअली मुझे लड़कों की तारीफ करना पसंद नहीं है, बट टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, गाइज ऑन हिंज आर क्यूट। सो फर्स्ट वन यू कैन सी ऑन द स्क्रीन, आई एम गोइंग टू रीड इट आउट। People make snap streaks. Would you like to make a date streak? 30 days, 30 dates, making unforgettable memories. How? So cool. I would fucking love to do that. I mean, just imagine 30 days and daily 30 different dates. Not a bad idea. I mean, this guy was like, this prompt is such eye-catchy. So, but अगर मैं content के लिए नहीं कर रही होती तो I would have swiped right, but fortunately नहीं गया match. Anyways, let's see the next one. Hi Tanya, I'm little shy to write this, but I wish I could see more of those cute eyes and pure smile that made me write a prompt. I hope we can be friends. Oh, that was cute. That was so sweet. Okay, next one. My kitten saw this and tried to touch the screen. She and I think you are cute. Of course I am cute. Anyways, but ये kitten वाला part डाल के he made this, you know, more interesting because also I have a cat, so I am a cat person. I'm also a dog person, but because now I have a cat, so I'm like, okay, who the fuck will mind being a pet parent? Like, I don't never mind being a pet parent. I love kittens, I love cats, I love dogs. So I'll rate this 9 on 10, a solid 9 on 10. Next one is, hey there, I'm not good at icebreaker, but I just have to say that you have really gorgeous hair. I would love the chance to adore you in person sometimes. You know, मेरी लाइफ में ऐसे लोग भी रहे हैं who used to say कि यार, I was like, bro, I mean, तारीफ कर दो मेरी ये वो. And then he's like, यार मुझे नहीं आता तारीफ करना, मैं क्या तारीफ कर रहा है? Like, look at the guys on Hinge. I mean, they can't just stop praising you. So मैंने ना prompt डाला था एक, like मेरी प्रोफाइल पे like there were 3 prompts. मैं पिक्चर्स दिखा देती हूँ. Okay, let me just read it out also. First one is, prompt asked, the way to win me over is, and I replied, if I could turn off my brain around you sometimes and let my feminine energy comes out. Because as an elder daughter, I always wanted to turn off my brain around my guy because I feel like I should like trust him that much that I could just turn my brain off and let my feminine energy comes out. But if you are letting me do that, I'll be like, oh my god, he's my man. Definitely. So that was the first prompt. Second one was, prompt asked, I would fall for you if, and I replied, you are gentle and soft towards me because I hate when men screams. Like, I hate when men screams over, like, I hate men with anger issues. First thing, a biggest turn off, genuinely. And the third one is, don't hate me if I throw my tantrums over you because, of course, कलेश नहीं किया तो औरत जात कैसी और मनाया नहीं तो मर्द जात कैसी, right? वाला जो थर्ड प्रॉम्प्ट था, I would fall for you if you're gentle and soft towards me, उस पे this guy replied and said, such a pretty girl with all the things perfect. I want to be the person that makes you feel special if we match, hopefully. That was so sweet. That was so innocent of you. I mean, I find this prompt so genuine. I don't know why, but it gave me such vibe, you know. Amazing. Next one. Your smile is irresistibly cute and I can see those adorable jeans at work. How about we take that smile on a long drive or a dinner date? I don't mind. If we match, we can go. I mean, I would love to go on a, you know, long drive or dinner dates at night, stargazing. Amazing. Next one, the prompt I have put, which says ki I could turn my brain off and let my feminine energy comes out. So some guy commented, challenge accepted. I'll make sure you feel so comfortable that our feminine energy flows effortlessly. I love such man. I genuinely love such man. Like, the guts to handle such woman, a baddie. Okay. नेक्स्ट वन, तो मेरे जो प्रोफाइल है उसमें एक लहंगे में पिक्चर थी, तो उस पर दिस गाय कॉमेंटेड, द गर्ल इन माई ड्रीम्स बिफोर द अलार्म हिट्स. Stop! No! Okay, so इससे मुझे एक मोमेंट याद आया. So there was a guy on my Instagram. He used to send me reels daily, and he was always in my request box. Like, I have never accepted his DM request. ठीक है? So one day there was one trend going on the internet, which says, डरता जहाँ हमसे हम तो उससे डरते सब जाने मोरी रनिया है. तो इस पे दिस गाय लाइक कोई रील होगा जिसपे ये सॉन्ग चल रहा होगा और तो उसमें शेयर करना होगा, ठीक है, तो ही शेयर्ड मी दैट रील, उसके नीचे ही रॉट सेंट टू मोरी रनिया एंड दैट ग्रीन टिक, एंड आई वाज लाइक व्हाट, दैट वाज सो क्यूट, सो क्यूट, आई वाज लाइक ओके, पटी नहीं बट पिघल गई. Oh my god, that was so cute. Like, okay, so let's move to the next one. This is one of my favorite, I guess. This is quite sexy. Red and black, two weaknesses a man can fall for, and third one probably here is you. I was like, me. Anyways, but अगर मैं खुद ना रिएक्ट करके अपने किसी फ्रेंड से और अपनी बहन से रिएक्ट करवा रही होती है, सो आई फील कि वो ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग, बिकॉज वो तो ये सारे फैक्ट डिनाई कर देते, बिकॉज they know how I live. Like, I'm super messy. I'm not that organized person जितना इसमें prompts में लग रहा है. They were like, what the fuck? इन लोगों को चश्मा लगाने की जरूरत है. Let's move to the next one. Is it just a picture or you really this innocent looking? Hey. Excuse me? I am innocent. Shut up. Next one. So the prompt which I have shared, that don't hate me if I'll throw my tantrums over you. So, some guy commented, he said, will taking you out for dessert date works? For me, it won't work because I'm already gaining my weight. If you could do anything great for me, so you can, help me with the cardio or something. But no dessert, okay, no sweets, I'm done. Next one is, I can't tell if you are innocent or absolute baddie. इसका मेरे को ना 3-4 ऐसे आ रखे हैं where people are saying, we have no idea if you are innocent or you are absolute baddie. So let me tell you what I am. I am baddie with an innocent face. Maybe. I don't know. You guys share in the comment sections. Next one is, okay, ये थोड़ा सा बड़ा है. He's थोड़ा बड़ा है. Prompt guys, prompt. Hey there, just wanted to say your profile caught my eye and stopped me in my tracks. Mind if I dive into a conversation with someone as intriguing and as fascinating as you? Cuteness overloaded. तो अगर मैं YouTube पे कूल बनने के लिए बोल दूं कि मुझे इंट्रीगिंग का मतलब पता है, तो क्या तुम मेरी बात मानोगे? माननी पड़ेगी क्योंकि मुझे पता है, तुम लोग मुझे इतना गवार समझते हो. एनीवेज, ओके, सो इस पे मुझे वाइब फील नहीं हुई, मुझे ब्लश नहीं आ रहा है गाइस. एनीवेज, thank you so much brother, that was so cute, that was so nice that you took time for me from your 24 hours and write this prompt for me. Appreciate it. Next, खत्म हो गया क्या? Okay, we have. Can you stop being so attractive? No, I won't. Sorry. Second one, again, which I already told कि ये मुझे बहुत आ रखा है कि people are like you are either too innocent or baddie for sure, which I've already told. Anyways, another. OMG, you are beautiful. Thank you for blessing my eyes. Excuse me, sir. मैं इतनी भी कुछ खास नहीं. Oh my god, that was so cute. Thank you so much. Next. Okay, तो again किसी ने prompt पे reply किया है, feminine energy वाले prompt पे. No thinking required, just vibes, laughter, and making sure you feel like a queen. I am a queen. I don't need a man to make me feel like a queen. Actually, I need a man. मतलब मैंने एक ना रील पढ़ा था रिसेंट में, which says पूरा दिन लड़कों को गालियां देने के बाद रात को सिंगल होने का रंडी रोना करती हुई. And I was like, yeah, I can relate it. Because if you know, you know. Because the thought of getting boyfriend is so magical, but once you get the boyfriend, then your life becomes like, headache. Next one is, I think you just need a BF with some photography skills like me. Of course, I mean, who doesn't? Like, literally girls want कि कोई लड़का हो जो उनकी randomly snaps बना रहा हो, out of nowhere he's taking her candidates or something. I तो love that. I mean, if a guy is doing that for me, I'm like, bro. पिघल गई मैं. Next one. Subtle and slaying aura of you is so dreamy. I wanna adore the same madam. Really? Do you really think that? यार मेरे पास blush करने के लिए कोई option नहीं. I mean, like, कोई आपकी तारीफ करा, what will you say? So let me just rate it. I'll rate it good, solid 8.5 out of 10. Next one is, so some guy replied on my prompt where I said, I would fall for you if you're gentle and soft towards me. So he said, what about an introvert, shy, tall, with pure feelings and dirtiest mind? Pure feeling with dirtiest mind. Deadly combination. I love that. Also, if you're tall, द बॉल्स आर इन योर कोर्ट. मैं आधी से ज्यादा पढ़ चुकी हूँ if you are over 6. So why not? Like bro, why you just propose me? गरम है हथौड़ा मार दो, गरम है लोहा मार दो हथौड़ा. What the fuck? Think. Okay, let's move. तो किसी ने रिप्लाई किया है इस वाले प्रॉम्प्ट पे where I said कि I could turn off my brain around you and let my feminine energy comes out. तो someone written best kind of women. Like seriously, do guys like such women who are in their feminine energy? Because if the guy is in their masculine energy, that's only what makes women to be in their feminine energy. If guy is not in his masculine energy, then girls had to take the lead because they don't have any option left then, right? So boys, work on yourself. Don't know why, but you kind of looking cute though in Thai outfit. Haha, a girl wearing specs and giving cute smile. Shesh. Okay, इसको क्या बोलते हैं यार? ये ऐसे शेशी बोलते हैं, whatever. इतनी भी जेंसी नहीं हूँ मैं, मुझे नहीं पता. Okay, don't judge me. This guy, इसका नाम भी शायद कुछ क्लिप्शी ऐसे करके कुछ था. So Thai outfit. Okay, but because he called me cute, so I'll give him 7 out of 10. Okay, next one is, oh, this is good. This is nice. Okay. Where I said throw my tantrums over you, he said throw them, I'll catch them better than how Surya Kumar Yadav caught the ball in World Cup finals. And let me tell you one thing, मेरे को क्रिकेट का इतना नॉलेज नहीं है, ना ही मेरे को सूर्य कुमार यादव का वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल्स के बारे में पता था. बट अभी वीडियो स्टार्ट होने से पहले एंड व्हेन आई सॉ दिस, जब मैं प्रॉम्प्ट्स कलेक्ट कर रही थी कि विच आई विल प्रेफर टू टेक इन दिस वीडियो, मैंने लिटरली सर्च किया सूर्य कुमार यादव catch World Cup, and you know what I mean, right? So I think this is a nice one. If your girl is into cricket and if you use this pickup line, I feel this is great. Tanya approved. So next is that's the smile I would like to see all day. I mean, men are in love when they like adore you simply and they're just looking at you and oh my god, I'm so hopeless romantic. अब तक तो पता चल गया होगा सबको. But I find it like cute. This is so sexy when a guy is so much into you and you know like he's just looking at you प्यार से and adoring your beauty and like everything is so cute. Next one is, oh, you have got the perfect smile. I'm gonna take you off Hinge. Brother, that's the guts I want in my man always. He said ki I'm gonna take you off the Hinge. I mean, girls, you know what I mean. You know what I'm trying to say, right? I don't have words. I generally don't have words. Perfect 11 on 10. I mean, like, I love when a guy take lead. Like, you know, but it's so nice when a guy says ki, okay, I have a planned date for you. You just be ready by 7 or by 5. I'm going to come to, you know, to pick you up or falana timkana. You know, I have planned dinner date for us. Instead of saying ki, what do you want to eat? Where do you want to go? Should I come? You want to meet? I'm like, no, just shut up. Like, oh, you know what I mean, girls. Next one is, hey, can we go for a drive and grab a few drinks where I can sing you your favorite songs, or else we can stay back, cook your favorite meal together if it's enough to take you off this app. This one is also nice. Brother, if you will do all this for me, I'll definitely off this app for you for sure. Okay, this is so cute, but unfortunately I have not matched with this guy. Rejected. Sorry, guilty. But of course, for the efforts, 10 on 10. So this is one of my favorites. I mean, I could literally board a sinking ship if you are on it. Is this the kind of guy who used to go on war for their princes and praja and everything? I mean, wow. I mean, मेरे लिए ऐसी बातें कोई लड़का करते मैं तो खुशी से पागल हो जाती हूँ. Anyways, देखो guys, पटी नहीं पर पिघल गई. Okay, so the next one is, girl so sundar that I would design fits for you. And when I saw his profile, there was written that he's a fashion designer, but then I saw his height, it was 5'6". So I was like, okay, now my type. Swipe. See, I don't wanna, you know, height shame anyone, but it just came. It is what it is. I like tall man. Let's move to the next one. Okay, this is my favorite one. I badly wanted to share this with you all. Please, मेरी excitement देख के भाग मत जाना. Please watch till the end. So this guy, he said, here's the presentation on why you should date me. Check this out. Dash and this link you can see here, right here. I clicked on this link and this page opened up. Like, let me just read it for you. There's a PPT of 6 pages where it is written, why date me? I've swiped. Okay, first one is my awesome qualities. First up, I'm a good listener. Seriously, I could win an award for my listening skills. I truly care about others and always give my full attention. No multitasking here, which is a great thing, okay? When a guy is listening to you when you're saying something, he should be just listening to you only, okay? No other things. That's a great part. Plus, I'm pretty low maintenance. How sweet. So you won't find me making any diva demands. Sounds like a win, right? It is a win. It is a win. Definitely a win. Next page, my hobbies. My hobbies, question mark. Oh, they are super fun. I love binge watching YouTube and anime. Seriously, I could probably write a thesis on them. I also enjoy listening to music. And here's the fun fact. I can sing well, sort of. I mean, I try, but let's just say I won't be headlining any concerts anytime soon. But hey, it's the effort that counts. Exactly. I mean, even if the guy doesn't know how to sing, still he is singing for you. He's putting efforts. I mean, chabo kitna bhi besura gata ho, still he's doing something for me. I'll be like, oh, my man. What I'm looking for, I'm on the lookout for someone who's honest, caring, and enjoy a good cuddle. Physical touch is my love language, of course, men. If you appreciate genuine connection and a good sense of humor, we might just get along perfectly. We can. My friends say I am funny, great at giving advice, always there when you need a helping hand. Basically, I am like the Swiss Army knife of friends, versatile and always handy. No, I don't stab or kill. 10 on 10 for efforts, but I would like to say मैं इतनी हूर की पड़ी तो हूँ नहीं कि इस बंदे ने सिर्फ मेरे को ही भेजा होगा. ट्रस्ट इश्यूज देख रहे हो तुम लोग गाइस. ऑब्वियसली अब इसने इतनी मेहनत करके ये प्रेजेंटेशन बनाई है तो ऑब्वियसली हर लड़कियों को सेम ही प्रॉम्प्ट छाप देता होगा. फॉर दैट आई विल गिव हिम 2 on 10. मुझे ऐसे लड़के बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद. I mean, girls or boys, everyone likes exclusivity. If you can't, make your partner feel exclusive or special and different from others, if you can't do that, just don't be with that person. Like, you are ruining their life. Just go, okay? So that's all for today's video. Let me know if you enjoyed it and if you want me to make the part 2 because it's so fun doing that. I mean, अपनी तारीफ कराने किसको नहीं पसंद. So if you like that, let me know in the comment section. Till then, see you. Take care. Bye bye.